Hi, my name is Heather Arnold, and this is my demonstration of the GreenPatch lawn repair robot. The GreenPatch uses a photoresistor to detect whether the grass is healthy or dead, and the robot either continues forward or starts a repair sequence. I'll mainly focus on showing my Tinkercad circuit and the code that runs it. And this is my circuit. I'm using an Arduino with 4 LEDs and a servo motor. Each LED represents part of the robot's function. The first LED on pin 2 is the dead grass detector LED. When the photoresistor detects brighter light, it means the grass is healthy. This LED stays on and green patch continues forward. When the light detects darker light, meaning the grass is dead or discolored, the LED turns off, and that's a signal for the robot to stop and begin repairs. The seed LED on pin 3 represents the seeding nozzle. The compost LED on pin 4 represents the compost spreader, and the roller LED on pin 5 represents the roller actuator. The servo on pin 6 represents the compost spreader arm. It rotates 180 degrees during composting and returns to 0 afterward. The photoresistor on A0 serves as the greenness sensor that determines whether the robot moves or repairs. Now let's go into the code. At the top here, I define all the LED pins, the servo pin and the grass sensor pin, along with the threshold value called the green grass threshold. I also have a helper function that controls both the compost LED and the servo position. In the setup function, I set the LED pins as outputs, attach the servo, reset it to 0 degrees, and start the serial monitor. Inside my loop function, the Arduino reads the photoresistor value of A0. If the value is above the threshold, the grass is healthy. The dead grass detector LED stays on, and the LEDs and servo motor remain off. If the value is below the threshold, the grass is not green enough. The dead grass detector LED turns off, and the repair sequence begins. During the repair sequence, the seed LED turns on first, then the compost LED and the servo activates, and the roller LED presses the soil. After short delays, everything turns off and the robot returns to checking the grass. Let me show you here. So if I increase the light on the photoresistor, you'll notice that my servo will turn off and the robot will just continue forward. And as they notice that the grass is darker or dead, that is when my LEDs will turn on, and we'll begin with my roller. We'll go on to compost, and then we'll go on to seed. All right, that completes my demonstration. This circuit and code together show how my green patch detects grass conditions and automatically seeds, composts, and rolls soil when a dead patch is found.